Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time, but yeah, here we are on a Sunday morning doing an MRC run on the day of Women's Day. So yes, it's me, Vishwav and Sappu running this run, and yes, I picked up running this year and I've been loving it ever since I picked up. I used to always wonder why would Vishwav, Sappu and Vaishak run so much, but here we are. So yep, I already completed 1 kilometer and it's a 5k run. Let's see how the run goes. Running on the Tanirbavi stretch. Our run was flagged off by the Commissioner of Police in Bangalore, and this is not a timed run, so trying to get it in the zone 2 to improve my pace over the time. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. 2 kilometers done and still 3 more to go. Let's see how it goes. My personal best in 5k is 41 minutes and odd minutes, but today I'm not looking more on the time but more to maintain my heartbeat. Right now it's at 154, so trying to keep it within the zone 2 for the rest of the run. Sappu and Vishwav have gone way far ahead. So yep, let's see how it goes. People who started earlier than us for 10k are coming back, but yep, a very well organized run by MRC. Big kudos to them. Like I was saying, it's a very well run organized by MRC. Big kudos to them, and also thanks to Bangalore City Police for helping us out with this run. And let's see how things go ahead. Yep, everything looks good. The weather is fine. It's calm. The route is flat. Let's see. 2k done. 3 more to go. Let's go. And there comes Vishwav after hitting the U-turn. Come on. 3 kilometers done. 2 more kilometers to go. So far we've completed 3 kilometers in 32 minutes. Roughly around 10-20 split per kilometer. That's good, not bad. Maintaining my pace within heartbeat within 160. So yeah, let's see for how many minutes I'll do in zone 2, for how many minutes I'll do in zone 3, because whenever I'm speaking to the cam, my heart rate spikes up because I'm doing multiple works at a time. But yeah, apart from there, it's been always within 150 and odd. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, done. 1 more k to go. So far been consistent with 140 to 160 pace, heart rate. Let's see, 1 more kilometer to go. Will I be able to do it in zone 2, zone 3? We'll have to wait and watch. But yeah, most of them are returning from their course. It's a good thing to see. Let's go, 1 more k and I'll see you all at the finish line. Come on! 5k done with 53 minutes and odd seconds. Still have a bit of gas left in my tank, so I thought let me hit another 2 or 3 kilometers. It's a good prep for my 10k whenever I do it. But yeah, let's see if I can hit 8k now. Peace. 6k done. Time to hit another 500 meters more and then take a U-turn and race back to the starting point. So it becomes 8k on 8 March. Happy Women's Day all. Peace. 7 kilometer done. 1 more kilometer to go. Heart rate's a bit spiked because I've been pushing from the past 1.5 kilometers. So let's go. 1 more kilometer to go. And then we complete our 8k for 8 March for Women's Day. Let's see.
Split pace. 10 minutes. 37 seconds per kilometer.
8 kilometers done. Let's go. Yes, that's it. We did it. He ran 5.03, 5k, and I did my personal best today, 8k. So yep, that's it for this vlog. These two people are the people who influenced me and Nisha to run. But yeah, Nisha is gonna come next week and we'll make a run. But yeah, that's all from this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. A vlog after a long time. Alright, then I think that's it for the day. I hope I see you on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.
Peace.
Peace.